What are you hammering at?
I am taking the steering linkage off the pitman arm, and then I will get it off the idler arm so we can take that all in one piece since we have everything new, but we want to keep everything together so we know the lengths so we can eyeball it.
Yeah.
And then, because we hope we do got a new idler arm, so, because that one's yummy. Otherwise, I got the sway bar off.
And then I got the lower control arm on this side, and I gave it to Victor with all the bushings and ball joints. So he both of those.
Sweet.
Yep. And then this upper control arm gave us a little issue because this piece down here was actually spinning. So,
Yummy.
yummy. But I was able to sneak a pair of vice grips in there and grab it till it would stop.
What a smart cookie.
I know. I'm such a. Actually, never mind.
You're a smart cookie.
Yeah, we'll leave it at that. But yeah, that ball joint was definitely seen its time. But we have all new rubbers for the front end, basically, and then
New rubbers, new tie rods.
new tires.
How old are these tires?
They're a little old.
Yeah.
They were cracked and dry rotting.
Yeah, it's kind of a bummer because a lot of people they get these cars and they only drive them here and there, and
Yeah, I know. It's just
they sit.
desert and then
Yeah,
age
yeah.
doesn't help.
And that's not a mark on anybody else because I mean I had a '64 Plymouth Valiant that I didn't drive that often, and even though the tires look brand new, they were showing its age.
Yeah.
And if you're gonna attempt to try to take, let's say, a car show in, San Diego, it's not safe. It's not safe at all because you're just looking at the tread and you're like, oh, it's fine, but really it's dry cracked and rotting out and hitting that one pothole. But
Exactly.
all right,
Anyways, we're gonna continue ripping it apart, and then after we get control arms and everything back, start putting it back together.
yay.
We'll put the steering back.
Yeah, we can start mocking up all the steering
Yeah.
and stuff and getting some other things, but yeah. All right, guys. Until next time.